Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix vehicle repair challenge not working on Battlefield 6 game. So if you are also into the same situation and looking for fixes, so here in this video guide you will find all the solutions. So the very first method is to restart your PC once. So for that, go to the Windows icon over here, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. After restarting your system, now check if the issue is fixed. If not, then restart the game. So for that, go to Steam. Now under library section here you have to select your game. Now what you need to do is simply exit Steam over here, and after that launch the game once again and then check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, you are suggested to use XP booster. So it has been noticed that when XP boosters are active, repair vehicle starts to work again, but this is available to only those who have pre-ordered the game or have purchased the Phantom Edition. So if you have pre-ordered the game or have purchased the Phantom Edition, you can use the XP boosters, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, then the final solution is to wait for an update. You are suggested to wait for some time until any update is released from the Battlefield 6 team. You are also suggested to keep an eye on the official Battlefield 6 account or other social media platforms from where you can get the latest informations about the error. So you can apply all these fixes, or you simply wait for some time until you get any update from the team. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.